Okay, it says we're performing a right-tailed hypothesis test. So there's my ugly normal curve. And it says if alpha is 0.05, remember alpha is the level of significance that we're going to use when we start doing hypothesis testing to see if we reject or not. It is asking me what is that critical value. So what is that Z critical value? So it's kind of working backwards. So what I'm going to do is remember that how you find this area, you go or find that Z value, I'm sorry, all the way from the bottom to that value. So what I'm really going to be looking up or putting in my Google Sheets is going to be 0.95. And why? Because remember, all probabilities have to add to 1. And so I get that value. You would see if you put in 0.05, and I'll show you here in a second, you would just simply get the negative Z value. So if I go to my Google Sheets, oops. And what I did is I created a formula. So I put a cell here. I just called it left tail area. And then I have a formula here that says equals NORMINV for inverse. Then it's going to get the probability, and you just standardize your mean to 0 and then 1. So notice if I put 0.05, I get this negative 1.64 value. If I put 0.95, I get the positive. So even if you don't remember to, let's say you just put alpha in 0.05, because it said it was a right-tailed test, you would just know to make your Z value positive.